Hi, this is Cynthia. Welcome to One Bite at a Time Apple Tutoring. Do you know you have a magnifying glass on your iPhone? It is perfect for those moments when you need to read tiny print. And because it's on your iPhone, it's nearly always with you, and it's super easy to use. So how do you find that magnifying glass? It's in your control center. If you have an old phone, swipe up from the bottom of your phone next to the home button. If you have a new phone that does not have a round home button, swipe down from the upper right corner. You're now in the control center. You should be able to see the magnifying glass icon. If you don't see the magnifying glass icon, we're going to have to go to Settings to set it up. You're going to go to Settings, Control Center, Customize Control. Let's go over that again. You're going to tap on your settings icon. Next, swipe up until you see Control Center. It is under the General tab. Tap on it. Tap on Custom Control in the next screen. Swipe up past Include to More Controls. Keep swiping up until you see the word Magnifier. You're going to tap on the green plus button, which now will take it out of More Controls and put it into your Included section. Your magnifying glass icon should now be in the Control Center. Now you're ready to magnify what you want to read. Let's say you want to read the ingredients on the back of a can. Again, swipe up on an older iPhone, or you swipe down from the upper right corner on the newer phone. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. Place your phone over whatever it is you want to magnify. Remember, this time I'm reading the back of a can. Tap on the image to bring it into focus. You will now see a yellow box where it is set to focus. It is now locked, and the round lock button will be yellow. You can now move the magnifying slider with your finger. Bring the image in as close as you want. If you need more light, for instance when you're reading the menu in a dark restaurant, tap on the lightning bolt. This activates the light from your flash, but don't forget to tap on the flash icon again to turn it off once you're done. Otherwise, you might drain your battery. I also can add color filters, black and white filters, adjust the brightness and control contrast. I just tap on the three circles in the bottom right corner of my screen. Sometimes I want to take a picture of the magnified image, say the back of a pill bottle. To freeze a magnified frame, just tap on the large white circle. Once I see the freeze frame, the easiest way to place it in my photo library is to take a screenshot. We go into detail about taking screenshots and marking them up in another tips and tricks videos. For now, let's just do a quick review. If you have an older phone, you take a screenshot by tapping the on-off button on the right side of your phone and the home button at the bottom of the screen. The newer iPhones don't have a home button, so you tap the on-off button on the right side of your phone and the volume up button on the left side at the same time. A small image of the screenshot appears in the bottom left corner. If you do nothing in a couple of seconds, your phone will save the screenshot to your photo library. Tap on that small image if you want to mark it up. There are lots of markup tools for screenshots. To learn more about them, watch the free screenshot video in Tips and Tricks. I hope this will be useful to you. It's one of my students' favorite suggestions. It seems as if every year the type on things I need to read gets smaller. I probably use the iPhone magnifying glass 3 or 4 times a week. For more easy step-by-step videos, go to onebiteatatime.net. Bye for now.